Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the payroll settings. To enable the payroll for your organization, you have to come up to the admin account and you have to come up to the site navigation bar. Under the settings, you will be able to find payroll settings. Now, for here, you will be able to see a screen like this where you have to do a selection of some of the elements. You have to select the day of the week from which you want to have your payroll start. Then you have to select from the list of the check boxes where you can include all of the timesheet of the members, or you can include billable or approved. You can also include the timesheets which are billable or pending, which are non-billable or approved, or non-billable and pending. You can have the selections all together, or even you can select out by just clicking on this specific check boxes and you can deselect them. Whichever you have included, these only the timesheets will be included in the payroll for the processing. If you want the data to be auto drafted, you can just click on this option as yes. Further, you will be able to see that there are two methods of transfer of the payments of the payroll, which is manual or Stripe. If you want to do it manual, you have to select that you want to auto draft it as monthly or you want to draft as weekly. You can click on the save settings and you will get a pop-up that payroll settings have been updated. Now you can go back to the side menu and under the financials, the payroll option starts coming up. You can click on this and have the payroll started for your organization members. So this was about the payroll setting. Thank you.